Gemini's fabricated metal signs are assembled by cutting and bending stainless steel or aluminum and internally welding them together to form premium channel letters and sign elements. Go beyond the ordinary with Gemini's handcrafted fabricated metal signs. These sleek metal signs are an ideal choice for your most prominent signs, leaving a lasting impression both day and night. Our metal fabrication capabilities include structurally robust gauges of stainless steel and aluminum, allowing for sign elements as small as 2 inches or as massive as 10 feet. And our precision manufacturing technology allows for thin strokes and deep returns. You can choose from a variety of finishes, including sleek metals, translucent vinyl, and unlimited color-matched paint options. With Gemini's lit fabricated metal signs, you can make a dramatic statement using premium materials with the widest variety of sizes, depths, and lighting styles to provide prominent visibility day and night. You can select from 7 standard LED colors, or unlock millions of color combinations for dynamic light shows, brand color matching, and mood-adapting signage. Apply translucent vinyl overlays to showcase vibrant colors illuminated from within. Regardless of your selection, all our LED lighting and power supplies are UL certified and require 6 to 8 times less power than incandescent equivalents and 8 to 10 times less than neon. All our fabricated metal signs are made in North America, so your sign can be produced and shipped in as few as 10 days once your artwork is approved. These signs have multiple different mounting options, allowing you to mount them flat to a wall, stand them straight up on a platform, or hang them overhead. And a specially designed removable back and detachable mounting studs make it easy to clean your sign and replace its LEDs. Every sign is built to last and proudly backed by Gemini's industry-leading lifetime guarantee for both interior and exterior installations. Visit our website to learn more and see if our fabricated metal signs are the right choice for your next project.